Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we're closing out our budget for the week of July 20th and setting up a budget for the week of the 27th. My final paycheck for July was on the 27th, so we'll be budgeting for that and then closing it out next week with the budget for August 3rd. So I hope you guys will stick around and join me as I go through what I paid this week. And if you're interested, here we go. So it wasn't a bad week. I only had my storage room to pay, of course, transportation or travel, and I paid an additional 400 on my Sears card. I also took the $1,600 that was in my 10,000 challenge and put it on the Sears card also. So that kind of helped my debt just a little because I had to add some things to debt. I got a bill. I had COVID it's like a year ago now. And for some reason, I got a bill in the mail to say that my insurance didn't pay part of it because I was going to the emergency room. I went to the emergency room like twice or three times when I had COVID and didn't pay. I had to pay a copay and didn't realize it. I don't think it's a year yet. It's like maybe months or so. But it was in 2021. So I received a bill, which is almost $2,000. So I had to put it on my. I'm sorry, I'm here. Cleaning my nail. Don't know where that stuff came from, but so I got a bill for like almost $2,000. So I had to put it on my credit card. So it kind of put me in a little mood when I first got it, but it is what it is. I decided that I'm not gonna dwell or stress on things anymore. Whatever will be, will be. So we'll discuss that in my debt update. And I'm trying to finish off my 100 envelope challenge so I can add that also to my debt. So I was saying I did pay 1,600 on my debt from my 10,000 challenge. Where with my paper? So we'll talk about that also in my debt update. But today we're closing out the week of July 20th. For that week, we carried over $81.43 from the week of the 13th. Sorry, my paycheck for that week was $910.69. My second income was at only 100, and I had some hustle money. Hustling for the month of July was really good. It seems like I sell stuff on eBay, so it seems like certain months I'm like, it's like sale after sale, and then there's some months there's nothing. So I was very grateful to have that in July, but I am keeping that money separate, at least most of it separate, so we can do savings challenges and sinking funds. Because if you've been watching my videos before, you can see I haven't been stuffing my sinking funds, so I have to get that going. And speaking of sinking funds, I did create a new challenges so I could fill my sinking funds now that we're talking about it. And these are the challenges I created. I made a new binder for it and all that stuff. This new cover I made with some tie-dye paper, and I love it so much. So we'll talk about that in our next video when I'm stuffing my challenges and savings. But today I only have my fun money because I'm going to be stuffing just the binder for my automatic savings after we do our budget. So our total income for this week was $1,414.75. For my wallet, I stuffed $165. Then sinking funds was $884, which includes that $165. I paid $138 for storage room, which was on my TD card, so I just put that money on TD. Made a payment for TD Bank, And travel is $40, and we did do $40. Then, like I said, we paid $400 on our sales card, in addition to that $1,600, which I didn't put in my budget, but I paid that. We'll update that on our debt update. Then I had a breakdown of everything that I stuffed last week, and my budget did balance to have $130.74 going over to the week of the 27th. And my two lonely budget sinking funds that I stuffed this week was just added 100 for groceries and add $84 to my buffer account because it was empty. I like to keep something in the buffer account just in case. So for this week, we don't have, when I get to the end of the month, I usually don't have much to pay, but so I'm stuffing more in my sinking funds and challenges and stuff. Going forward, whatever is carrying over, we're going to subtract it and add it, deduct it and keep it as cash for our challenges. So you won't see a carryover unless it's just change or coins. So going forward, if I had started now, I would have taken out that 130 and added it to my cash for my sinking funds or savings challenges. So this, since we didn't start that yet, we carried over 130.75. My paycheck for the week of the 27th was 930.33, and income, my second income was $250. We're gonna stuff 65 in our wallet, in my wallet, and I'm gonna show you guys my new envelopes for my wallet. I switched my wallet again. I love doing that. Like I said, I get bored real easy. So this week we're budgeting $101 for cable vision. It's usually $100.88, and that's for internet and what is it for? Internet and a phone. Travel again, we're gonna budget $40. Canva $13, and then our stuffing is $1,135. But for this video, we're only stuffing our automatic savings, which is our 10,000 challenge, emergency fund, so we have iPad here. We're gonna stuff 200 for our 10,000 challenge, which is now at 0, but it's at 0 because this 200 was a part of the 1,600 that I paid on my credit card. We're gonna stuff $50 for our emergency fund, 25 for our $25 challenge. Our $14 challenge is getting $26. I'm just trying to make up some of what I deducted from it. Percentage of pay, we're doing $46, and we're putting $20 in my Lizzy. My son's account didn't get none this week, so this part of our stuffing is gonna be done today, and then we will be stuffing the remainder of our top $100 or challenges. The reason why I separated it this time, I might do that going forward, but I'm stuffing a bunch of the $100 envelopes, so I don't want the video to be too long, so I did it separately. And like I said, for the hustling money that I'm putting aside, we'll do that, also stuff that separately. So our budget is set for the week of the 27th, and we're gonna stuff our automatic savings accounts, and that's this binder. So the first thing is our $10,000 challenge. Like I said, I deducted $1,600 to put on my credit card, and we're adding $200 today, which only leaves it with $200 right now. So we're adding $200 to our 10,000 challenge. Emergency fund, which I'm trying not to touch anymore, because if I wasn't touching it before, I would be way almost at 5,000 by now. Oh, I already added the 50s for this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're adding 50 today. So emergency fund now has 1, 2, 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. 3,000, 550. Our $25 challenge, which is in American Express. We're adding 25 this week. 20 and 5. And like I said, these are my automatic savings that go as soon as I get paid, they automatically transferred to these accounts. So the $25 challenge should have 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we have $900 in our 25 challenge, which is doing pretty good. My son's account didn't get anything today, but it has 150, 70, 90, 210, 220. Our $14 challenge is getting $26. It has 30. I'm adding 26 to make it 56. So 25, 26. So that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. That's in the account. Percentage of pay is getting $46 today. It has 72, and we're adding 46, 20, 40, 45, and 46. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18. $118. And my savings is gonna get $20. It had 35, so add in 20, and we have 20, 40, $55. So I'm trying to finish off my 100 envelope challenge. It's going on too long now, I feel. I've completed the 52-week challenge before, and I've started it over, and I want to complete something else. So we're gonna work hard on our 100 envelope challenge. So that's it for our automatic savings, and it's a very short video, but I don't want to keep them too long anymore. So I hope you guys liked this format, and I hope you guys will join the family, subscribe, leave a comment, give it a like, and I thank you for joining me. Bye.